Welcome all. Today in this video, we are going to see how to create e-content, online class and online test through parentsalam.com. So first of all, you go to the browser of your desktop, laptop or mobile browser. Just type parentsalam.com and log in with your login credentials. Here in my login, you are able to see multiple icons, but in teacher's login, there will be only few icons. Just go to e-content and click on the create icon. After clicking create, you will have to select your class, section and subject. Here you can upload all kind of files like image, video, audio, PPT, PDF, all kind of study material you can share with your class wise, section wise, based on the subjects. So here I am just showing you a sample that I am attaching one image and I am just have written topic demo e-content. Description is optional, you can put or you cannot also. Then click on upload and go to the file which you want to share with your students. Here, whatever kind of file it is, always remember to create a right content type, whether it is image, video, audio, PPT, PDF or doc. Select the respective accurate file, then upload the file. If it is an assignment, just click on yes button. So this particular e-content will become an assignment. Then you can also set the deadline for submitting the assignment. So for example, I will just make this as an assignment by clicking yes, and then I will select the date. So by 7th of June, student has to submit this assignment. If it is not an assignment, just click on no and submit. So you can see e-content is already created. Likewise, you can create as many e-content by clicking on video, audio, PPT, PDF, any kind of file you have as in a study material, you can share the same with your students. Let me show you now external link. So if you have any external link from YouTube or any platform website, so just click on the external link icon, then write the topic. Again, description is not mandatory. So if you want to put, you can put, or else now let's go to find out the link. So I'm just going to type digestive system in my browser and I will find a video. So I got a video on YouTube. I want to share this content to my students. So I will just click on share button and then I will click the link here and I will copy it. Once I have copied it, I will come here and I will type this or paste it, this external link here. And then in assignment, this is not assignment, so I will put no and then I will submit. So my external link video has also been shared. Now let's see all the e-contents which I have shared with my class. So I will click on view, then class and search. So these are the 4 e-contents I have submitted today for my sample class. So after clicking this link, you can check whether the right file has been uploaded or not. Yes, the same thing I uploaded there. So my e-content is already been shared to my class. That's it in the e-content section. Let's go to online class. How to create online class link for our students. So first of all, I'll go to add class. I will select my class, section, my subject, then my name. If you are logged in with your name, then automatically your name will appear there. Then write the topic. Description again here too, it is not mandatory, it is optional. You can put any description. I'm just typing the same what I have put in topic. Then here you have multiple options, Google Meet, Zoom and others. So first I will conduct it from Google Meet. So this is optional for you. You can create online class through Google Meet or Zoom or Microsoft Team, any platform you can choose. The only thing is you have to create that class in that respective app, and then you have to copy the link of that particular online class. So let me go to Google Calendar. I will click on Google Calendar and I will schedule one online class on a respective date. So let me sign in my account first, and then I will click on the date on which I am going to schedule my online class. So I am going to put the topic here or selected the time. So I am going to conduct my class from 7:30 a.m. to 8:30 p.m. Here I have created this class. I will copy the link and then I will save this schedule. The link is mentioned here, as you can see, meet.google.com. So here, once it is saved, you can copy this link and paste it into Parents Alarm online class link. So I just copied it. Let me go here, and then in URL I will put that complete. And here I have got some other numbers also, so I will erase that. We just have to type the link of Google Meet here, that's it. I'll show you once again. What you can do is you can go to your scheduled meeting, and there you can just copy the link which is provided there. So let me show you once again. See, as you can see here, meet.google.com is here. So I will just copy this and I can paste the same thing there also. Only remember, you have to put https:// is mandatory here and the proper link. If the link is not proper, the tab will become red. So it is very important that you put the right URL here. And then I will select the date. So I have selected 7th. The time I kept 7:30. So I will go to 7:30. Okay. Here you have to set the right time which you have scheduled there, the time, and in Google Meet it is 60-minute class as a free user. So I have to write 60 minutes here. Automatically the end date and end time will be mentioned. Right, as you are seeing, 7:30 to 8:30. Now I will submit it. So the moment I'll submit, it says record added successfully. It means my online class through Google Meet is scheduled for 7th June 2021. Now let's see for Zoom how we will schedule. So let me select the class, section, subject and everything. And in class type, I will select Zoom. Just for your reference, I have typed Zoom online class, and then I will go to Zoom meeting. Here in Zoom meeting also the same way, you have to go to Zoom meeting and then you have to schedule a online class on Zoom, and you have to copy the URL and you have to save that URL in Parents Alarm online class scheduling, right? So Let me go to my account in Zoom. Okay. Yes, it's done. Let's wait for a minute. It's getting created. I'll go to my account and then I will go to meetings. I will schedule a meeting. So here you can see a schedule a meeting icon. Click on that. And then I have to write the topic of my online class. If I want to put any description, I can put, or else I can leave it blank. It is optional. In Zoom, it allows only 40 minutes free class. So you have to remember this and you have to schedule the online class accordingly. I will again select the date. So I have selected 7:30 to 8:30 in Zoom, sorry, in Google Meet. So now I will schedule in Zoom from 9 a.m. to 9:40 p.m. AM, sorry. So I selected 9 a.m. Duration, here it's showing 1 hour, but you have to make it 0, hour 0, and minute you just put 45 because you don't have the 40 option available here. Just keep 45 and then save this. After saving, it will show you the URL of this scheduled online class. So just copy this invitation link. So here I opened it and I'm copying from https till last. I will just copy it. Yes. And then I will paste this URL in our Zoom online class. So in URL, I will just description, I will give anything, training, and in URL, I will paste the URL which I have copied from Zoom meeting. Again, here we will have to put the start time. So I will put the start time. I kept it 9 a.m. So let me bring to 9 a.m. 9 a.m. and then we have to write 40 minutes. Don't write in hours. It is mandatory to put in minutes only. So I just wrote 40 minutes, the date, and I will submit. So my class is already scheduled for Zoom through Zoom meeting 9 a.m. to 9:40 a.m. Submitted, it's saying record added successfully. Now let's see both the classes which I have scheduled just now. Let me check if the class is scheduled properly for that particular date and time. So I will select my class, my name, the date, and submit. See, you can see there are two classes which we scheduled just now is visible here. One through Google Meet, first one, and the second one is with Zoom Meet. 7:30 a.m. starting ending at 8:30 and then 9 to 9:40. So this is how you have to conduct the online class. Here three options are there. You can delete this schedule, you can edit this schedule, and you can also check the attendance of your child by clicking on attendance icon. Once the class is over, it will give you the glimpse. So you can edit this schedule for next day also if you have the same class 9 to 10 or 7:30 to 8:30 daily. So with the same link, you can just change the date and time and you submit it. Same meeting will be arranged for that respective date. So you have 5 classes regularly, same time. So with the same URL, you can do all 5 days online class accordingly. So you are just seeing I have just, if you want to change the time, you can change the time also, and you can submit it. So with the same Google Meet or Zoom Meet link, you can schedule the class at different time and different dates. Now let's go to see how we list our online test, how we add our questions, and how we add our online test. So first of all, what we have to do is we have to add questions. So just click on add questions, select the board, the class for which you wanted to add the question, then the section, the subject, topic, you can put it all, question, whether it is objective or it is subjective, you can choose either of them, multiple choice question, and then you can write your question here. If you already have a Word file where you have inserted all the typed all the questions, so you can just copy and paste all the questions here. So I will one by one, I will put all the questions here. Question level, easy, beginner or tough, you can put the default marks, and then I will write the multiple choice answers here. So first I have written India, then by clicking plus icon I will give second option, third option, and fourth option. So these four options I have given. You can choose, you want to give two options only or three option or four option, that depends on you. So by just clicking on the plus icon, you can add many answers, and out of those four or five or whatever you have chosen, write the, just click the correct answer and then submit. Once you will click on submit, it will say record added successfully. It means my question is already been added in the online test. So now let's go to see the questions which I have added. So I will go up and I will click on list questions, which will give me the idea of how many questions I have added. So I select the board, class, section, subject, and then submit. So once I'll submit, all the questions which I have added in my panel is shown here. You can see the 14th number question I have just inserted in front of you, and rest I have added earlier. So 14 questions is added. Now I will go to create the test for my class. So I will click on add test. After clicking add test, I will select my class for which I am scheduling the test, the section, the subject. I can put the test name, whether it is periodic test, unit test, mock test, whatever it is, you can just name it, for how many marks this test is going to be, and which date and which time the test will start. You have to add that. So I'm just giving 7th June as the test date. Time I have give 12:15 p.m. to 1:15 p.m. I will keep it 1 hour test. So I have just given 1:15 p.m. Yes, and the duration is 1 hour, so I will write 60 minutes. Here also we have to put in minutes only, then submit. It's showing record added successfully. Now let's go to see in list test my test has been added or not, right? So just click on list test and see whether for that respective date the test is scheduled or not. Yes, our test is scheduled. Now let's click on the questions icon. Currently you are not able to see any question because we have not added the questions. So next step is to add questions in this particular test. So let's go to add questions to test. Again, all the questions which I have inserted earlier. So I will click on my class, section, subject, topic, test, for which test, then what type of question, I'll keep it all. and then submit. See, all the questions appeared here. So by clicking on all the questions, if you want to select, just click here, or else you can select only the questions which you want to add. So all 14 questions I have added here. I will save it. So once I saved it, it says record added successfully. It means all 14 question has been added in my test. Here sequence number is very important. If you want to change the order of the question, so 1 2 3 4 5 to 14, it's showing all in sequence. If you want to change any sequence, so for example, this 10 number question, if I want to make it comes last, so I will put 14. And if I want to bring this 14 number question as in 10 in the question paper, I will put 10, and then accordingly I can save. You can uncheck the questions also from here which you don't want to bring in the test. Then click save. Now let's go to our scheduled test and see whether the question paper is set in that respective or not. See, now after clicking this question, you can see all the 14 question has been added. So these 14 questions is going to be come in the test. You can take the print of this particular question paper. You can save it for your records. So that's it from my side. Hope I have covered the online class, online test and e-content feature well. Please comment in this video if you liked this demo. Thank you so much. Have a great day ahead.